Thank you so much, Cebu Design Week, for having me. My name is Jarra Angbetic. I'm a fine jewelry designer. I specialize on commissioned bespoke jewelry pieces. And I am an entrepreneur. The moment the government announced that there's going to be an ECQ lockdown, the following day I immediately enrolled in an online course with Coursera and Yale University's business course regarding negotiation and applied game theory. I'm also a member of JCI Cebuano, and I volunteered packing relief goods for the street dwellers. We basically garnered donations in kind and in cash from our benefactors, and we have been giving away donations for the hospital workers and the police frontliners. In the past 6 weeks, I have 4 Zoom projects with JCI Cebuano, with Arthur Land, a premier real estate company based in Manila, and I have a Zoom collaboration with Amora Consultancy Agency. It's a language agency based in Metz, France. And apart from these things, I try to cook and eat leftovers as much as I can because I don't want to waste my food. And I've been trying to touch base with old and new friends just to keep myself sane. And once in a while, when I'm really, really bored, I dress up, put on my makeup, and glam up. The first place that I would definitely visit after this lockdown is the beach. I know we're in the pool right now, and it's really torture for me not to swim for 2 months now because we're not allowed to swim. It's against the government rules, so I'm trying to comply to stay healthy as well and do my part as a citizen. Actually, nothing. Because for the past few weeks, I've been in denial that we are getting out of this really soon. But turns out that it's not happening quite soon yet. But anyway, I do plan to hoard. To look inside and just know what I really want out of life and to what goals I really need to achieve to make me feel more accomplished and happy. And it taught me of what really matters and who really matters in my life, so that when we go back to the new normal, I get to realign my purpose, my attitude, my feelings, and the people that I want in my life to foster my growth and to encourage my creative spirit. Now, I'm gonna draw a sketch about connection. A diamond represents the different facets of our connection to the outer world. This is us, our relationships, our purpose, our jobs, our hobbies, and our growth. If you focus on working on these things while on quarantine, you would turn out to be a beautiful work of art, shining beautiful, giving out beauty and life to these aspects that connect you to the outer world. Hang in there. You're much better than you think, you're much stronger than you think. We as a human race has gone through so much, and we can survive this together. Let's do our bit, let's stay strong and resilient to make necessary changes the moment we step back into the new world of new beginnings, of hope, and a better tomorrow for our children.